Hi, I'm Mehdi, owner of Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air. If your shower glass has white spots that never fully wipe off, your dishes come out filmy, or your tap water smells like a pool, that's Miami's hard water at work. And let me explain what's actually going on. Our water comes from the Biscayne Aquifer, and it's hard, high in dissolved minerals like calcium and magnesium. That mineral scale builds up everywhere. It shortens the life of your water heater, clogs fixtures, leaves spots on everything, and dries out your skin and hair. It's not dangerous, but it's hard on your home and honestly unpleasant to live with. There are a few ways we fix it, depending on what's bothering you. A water softener tackles the scale and the spotting throughout the whole house. A whole house filtration system handles sediment, chlorine, and that pool smell at every trap. And a reverse osmosis system, which is my favorite, it's placed under the kitchen sink, gives you a genuinely clean, and my favorite part, great tasting drinking water. The right answer starts with a simple water test, so we're solving your actual problem and not guessing. We're a licensed Florida plumbing contractor since 1990. Our license is CFC 1433-145. Tired of fighting Miami's hard water? Give Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air a call and we'll test it and walk you through the options.